Hello students, my name is Alok Semwal and today's lecture is about atomic absorption spectroscopy. In this, I will discuss introduction, principle and instrumentation of atomic absorption spectroscopy. Atomic absorption spectroscopy is a spectroanalytical procedure for the quantitative determination of chemical elements using the absorption of optical radiation by free atoms in the gaseous state. It is a spectroscopic method where radiation from a source is absorbed by non-excited atoms in the vapor state. Atomic absorption spectroscopy deals with the absorption of specific wavelength of radiation by neutral atoms in the ground state. In atomic absorption spectroscopy, when liquid sample is introduced in flame, it is vaporized, leaving a solid sample residue. Furthermore, solid sample residue is converted to atomic state. Radiation from the specific light source is focused on the atomic vapor in the flame. The light radiation then enters a monochromator which isolates the line of interest. Light is then measured by a photomultiplier tube. The signal is then proceeded and the computer system prints the output on screen. According to the principle of atomic absorption spectroscopy, the extent to which radiation of a particular frequency is absorbed by an atomic vapor is related to the length of the path traversed and to the concentration of absorbing atoms in the vapor. In this definition, path traversed is extended or changed path of atoms across something. This happens because of absorption of radiation. Principle of atomic absorption spectroscopy is analogous to the Beer-Lambert law relating to samples in solution. Thus, for a collimated monochromatic beam of radiation of incident I0 passing through an atomic vapor of thickness I, IV is equal to I0 e to the power minus kVi, where IV is the intensity of the transmitted radiation and kV is the absorption coefficient. So total number of electromagnetic radiation absorbed by the atom at particular frequency nu is equal to pi e square upon mc whole into nf. This is equation number 1. In this case, E is electronic charge, m is mass of atom, c denotes velocity of electromagnetic radiation, n denotes number of atoms, and f is oscillator strength or ability of each atom to absorb at frequency nu. As pi, E, m and c are constant, equation can be simplified to the following expression. Total number of light absorbed at frequency nu is equal to constant into nf. This is equation number 2. From this equation, it is evident that firstly, there is no term involving the wavelength of absorption other than the indication of the actual absorption wavelength. Secondly, there is no term involving the temperature. From above, it follows that absorption by atom is independent of the wavelength of absorption and the temperature of the atoms. These two features provide atomic absorption spectroscopy distinct advantages over flame emission spectroscopy. Next is instrumentation of atomic absorption spectroscopy. Atomic absorption spectrophotometers are of two types: single beam photometers and double beam photometers. In this diagram, you can see a fully functional single beam atomic absorption spectrophotometer. It is called single beam because all measurements are based on the varying intensity of a single beam of light in a single optical path. An alternate photometer configuration is known as double beam instrument. It uses additional optics to divide the light from the lamp into a sample beam and a reference beam. Sample beam is directed towards the sample cell. Reference beam is directed towards the reference sample. In the double beam system, the reference beam serves as a monitor of lamp intensity and the response characteristics of common electronic circuit. Therefore, the observed absorbance determined from a ratio of sample beam and reference beam readings is more free of effects due to drifting lamp intensities and other electronic anomalies which similarly affect both sample and reference beams. In this diagram, you can see an atomic absorption spectrophotometer. The key elements of a conventional atomic absorption spectrophotometer are a line source of radiation, an atomizer of which there are two types, flame and furnace, a monochromator, a detector for the measurement of intensity of the radiation passing from the sample, and a recording system. Other components are the optics, including lenses and mirrors that relay and focus light around the instrument on its ultimate passage through the sample and into the detector. So that's all for today. In the next class, I will discuss various parts of atomic absorption spectrophotometer in detail. Thank you.